Hola mis amigos, we're making sausage and peppers mac and cheese. In this pot, I've previously prepared 8 ounces of elbow macaroni and I've set that aside. And here I have 2 cloves of minced garlic along with a little bit of olive oil. And to that I'm going to add 1 pound of smoked beef sausage along with 1 pound of roasted red peppers that have been sliced. And I am just going to saute this for about 3 minutes or so. Next we're adding 1 teaspoon of garlic powder along with 2 teaspoons of crushed red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes. Along with 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. And we're just going to give this a stir and bring this to a boil. Now that we're at a nice boil, we're going to stir in 8 ounces of mozzarella and we're going to bring the temperature down to low. And now we have a nice and cheesy sauce. So finally we're going to add in our elbow macaroni. And we're just going to stir to coat this into the cheese sauce. And then if you need to, you can allow it to simmer for as long as you want until the sauce is nice and evaporated down to whatever texture that you want. But for me, this is looking pretty perfect right about now. So I am just going to go ahead and turn this completely off. And then we are ready to serve. Sausage and peppers mac and cheese. Enjoy, and I'll see you at the dinner table.